If you like creating dishes with leftovers, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make a great hearty potato soup utilizing leftover baked potatoes.
A baked potato. I'm sure you've had a few of these laying around after a steak and potato meal or a baked chicken and potato meal, and I don't know, you throw them in your fridge, you plan on using them for another day, or you're just going to heat them up in the microwave the next day. Well, with me, sometimes I do it on purpose. Sometimes I make too many on purpose. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes there's somebody at the table that didn't want a baked potato. Question is, what do you do with the baked potato when it's a leftover baked potato? Well, in this episode, I'm going to give you a couple ideas what you can do with baked potatoes if you haven't already figured something out for yourself. So, what are we going to do today? I'm going to do two things. It's going to be a two-part episode. Part one, I'm going to go ahead and do a baked potato, cheddar, and beer soup. You heard that right. Baked potato, cheddar, and beer soup. Second part, I'm going to go ahead and make a potato skillet. A breakfast meal. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, part one, we're going to do the soup. The baked potato, cheddar, and beer soup. What's going to go into our soup? Well, baked potato, of course. I've got some celery, some onion, a little green pepper, salt and pepper. I got some beer and some nice 2-year-old aged Vermont cheddar. I've also got some bacon. There's some bacon here that I'm going to crumble up and put in the soup as well. Very simple soup, especially when you got some of the cooking already done, the baked potato part. Alright, so I'm going to clear some things out of my way here, and then we'll get on to making the soup. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I got my pan heating up over here. I'm going to drop about 2 tablespoons of butter in there, and I have some reserve bacon grease. When I cooked my bacon, I actually cooked it in air fryer. Air fryer bacon, so simple. You don't get all that smell up in your house. You don't get all the splatters on your stove top. And 4 minutes in the air fryer, you've got perfect bacon. And I always save the bacon grease because you can always use it. So I'm only putting about a tablespoon of bacon grease in with my butter. We'll get this melting down. And I don't have to melt it all the way down to get my veggies going. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my celery in there. That's 2 stalks of celery. And I'm going to throw about 1 medium onion in there. And about a tablespoon of green pepper. Give this a little turn. And we'll let that saute until it gets translucent. Now on to my potatoes. Now these are fully cooked. You could take the peel off if you want. And I like my peels on. Yeah, some of that peel is going to come off and into the soup. It doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, take the peels off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a potato. I'm going to cut it down into quarters. Then I'm going to cut this into chunks, little bite-sized chunks, about that big. And I have 2 potatoes that are going to go in my soup. I like my soup loaded with potatoes. We'll give this a little bit of stir. Then I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of flour. We'll stir that in. That's 1. That's 2. It smells good just as it is. Alright, that's nice and incorporated. I'm going to go ahead in now with some chicken stock. I don't think I mentioned chicken stock, but we're using some chicken stock in here just to start out the liquefying part of our soup. Don't worry, we're going to get some beer in there. Alrighty. Go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. Go ahead and add our beer. Alright, so we got a nice little simmer going here now, and it's right about the thickness that I want this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a good amount of cheese. I've got about 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese I'm tossing in here. You know, this is the time of year I kind of get down and blue. The leaves are falling off the trees. But what I do to pull myself out of that is make soup, and I love to make soup. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my half and half. Going in with probably about a cup and a half of half and half. This is all coming together now. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. Whoop. If this doesn't scream eat me, I don't know what does. Alright, so give this a bit of a stir. We're going to heat this up, and this is basically almost done. The vegetables will go ahead and continue to cook to their desired doneness state, and the potatoes just need to heat up. I can smell the beer. I'm also going to add a little more color to this and a little flavor. I love parsley. So we're going to go in with a nice dose of parsley. Stir it in there. That is looking so good. We'll let that go for a second. Next thing I got to do is get the bacon in there. So we'll be right back. Alrighty, I've got 3 slices of bacon here. I don't want to overpower this with bacon. So I'm just going to go with 3 slices. Basically kind of put a long ways cut on these. Then just going to roughly chop it. Our potato soup is almost coming to a simmer over here. And if you've noticed, I mean, this is so simple. Anybody can make it. I'm always saying that, but really anybody can. My wife's probably shaking her head no, she's not everybody, but she can make this too. She makes really good lasagna. In goes our bacon. Give it a stir, and we'll just let this simmer for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. We'll be back. Well, our soup is there. It's been about 6 minutes simmering. Now it's time to go ahead and taste this. Look how nice and chunky our baked potato soup with cheddar and beer looks. All you Irishmen out there, are you liking on this? I don't know if this is Irish or not, but hey, it seems like something an Irishman would eat. There we go. Nice and creamy. Alright, so before I taste this, let me do my shout out. This episode shout out is to the all the former members, the crew members of the USS John F. Kennedy, who, what I understand, what I recently read, is going to be towed from Philadelphia at some point in time and then scrapped out. I kind of know how y'all feel. They scrapped out one of my ships, and kind of leaves an empty feeling in your stomach. But I'm going to fill that empty feeling up now with some of this soup. So let me try this out as my ice machine fills up with the water over there. And let's go in. Slight hint of beer. The cheddar is like spot on. I mean, it's got a nice little zip to it. The potatoes, nice and chunky. Little bits of bacon. This is banging. This is leftover baked potato soup. So hey, you saw how easy and fast it is to make this soup. You gotta make it too. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share. Right over here, go ahead and hit my little logo. Makes it a lot easier for you to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks. There's my bacon. What I've done here is create a little landing zone for my egg. In goes my egg. I'm going to put the top on it.